Hi, I'm Eileen. I mostly travel solo, plan everything myself, and share honest experiences from the road. This time I'm exploring Copenhagen in winter. I checked into Still House Copenhagen. Honestly, it felt like a little city inside a hotel, with bar, games, pool, gym, even a cinema. My first walk was along Strøget, one of Europe's longest pedestrian shopping streets. You can find international brands and also Danish design. I made a short stop at this beautiful square with a relaxed cafe vibe. Then I continued to one of Copenhagen's main landmarks. In winter, this beautiful square becomes an ice skating rink. And of course, Nyhavn, Copenhagen's most famous harbor, with beautiful, colorful houses from the 17th century. For dinner, I tried a traditional Danish Christmas dinner, with of course warm gløgg, the perfect winter atmosphere and combination. Later, I walked through Ofelia Plads, a long waterfront walk with lights, music, and such a calm and modern vibe. I head back to the hotel, already in love with Copenhagen's winter energy. Day 2 started with a quick stop at Palads Hotel. You can't miss it. Bold colors and right next to Tivoli. Very Copenhagen. I visited Copenhagen's main cathedral, Church of Our Lady. The interior is minimalist and calm, simple, quiet, and very Scandinavian. Then I head to the round tower. Instead of stairs, there's a spiral ramp, and at the top, panoramic views over the city. Don't miss the hollow core. Step into the glass floor and look 25 meters down. The core was Denmark's geographical zero point. From the top, you can explore the 360-degree view all the way to Sweden. Along the spiral ramp, you can see the library hall, the bell loft, the observatory, and the planetarium. I walked through Rosenborg Gardens. In winter, it's quiet and peaceful, a really nice pause in the middle of the city. A tiny detour, but one of my favorites. Short, charming, and completely postcard-perfect street. From there, I explored Nyboder, with its yellow naval houses, and then Kastellet, a star-shaped fortress that feels surprisingly calm. I made a quick stop at the Little Mermaid, small, simple, but very iconic. Nearby is the Gefion fountain, which tells a Viking myth about the goddess Gefion creating the island of Zealand. Then I arrived at Amalienborg Palace, home of the Danish royal family. The changing of the guard happens daily at noon. The guards march from Rosenborg Castle, and the atmosphere here is amazing. Right next, it's Frederick's Church, also known as the Marble Church, inspired by St. Peter's Basilica. Then I continue to Free Christiania, an alternative self-governed area. You feel immediately that it's different, and it's important to be respectful here. And this was my favorite view in Copenhagen, the Church of Our Saviour. The spiral tower is intense, but once you're up there, the views over the city are unreal. Book online in advance. It's the proper stairways to heaven moment, but the views are very rewarding. I won't lie, it was quite cold and a little bit windy up there.
I'm on top of the world.
Yeah, I was literally at the very top of the spiral tower. Insane views. I think I spent over an hour up there because I was lucky enough to be during the sunset. So right about when I couldn't really feel my hands, I thought it was the time to go down again. On my way back, I decided to take a boat ride and enjoy the waterfront at night. My last morning in Copenhagen was slower. I started the day at the National Museum of Denmark. It's the perfect place to dive into Danish history, especially the Viking and North mythology section, my completely favorites. Standing there, it really felt like stepping into the Viking mindset. I must have spent about 2 hours. It's a big building with very interesting sections. My favorite was the immersive exhibition of the Viking sorceress and her prophecy, a powerful myth about the end of the world, fate and rebirth. Dark, poetic, and deeply connected to Norse mythology. After that, I walked to the Royal Library, also known as the Black Diamond. I took the Havnebus from the Royal Library to Nyhavn. It's included in the public transport pass and honestly one of the most relaxing ways to see the city from the water. Even just from the outside, the reflections on the water and the sharp architecture of the Black Diamond are stunning. I couldn't leave Copenhagen without seeing Nyhavn for one last time. I stopped at this food market for lunch. And just like that, it was time to head to the airport. Copenhagen completely stole my heart. Stay tuned for my next adventure.